a set that is all designed around a vision that Steven had.
Again, to sit down and talk about Florida. Well, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Now close. Robbie, get in. Get in.
Yeah, come on, Robbie, we got a tour to do. So the airplane you see there, that's a Boeing 747. It's a real airplane. It was retired in the Mojave Desert, living its best life. Then Paramount went, bought it for $60,000, chopped it up, and shipped it here to the Universal Bag. Yeah, she's real gross, right? She's real gross. Put a little sound effect on. There it is. Nice and creepy.